Let me ask you something, and I want you to be completely honest with yourself right now. How many supplements are sitting in your cabinet? Collagen powders, hormone boosters, energy pills, estrogen creams, maybe a fat burner someone recommended online? And here's my next question. Are your legs stronger? Is your energy back? Does your body feel like yours again? If the answer is no, I am not surprised, because what nobody is telling you and what I am going to tell you today is that the answer to female vitality after 50 was never in a bottle. It is in your legs. I am Dr. Romalia. I have spent years helping women over 50 reclaim their health, their strength, and their confidence, not through expensive supplements or gimmicks, but through the most powerful medicine the human body already has. Today, I am giving you a complete, science-backed leg exercise plan specifically designed for women over 50 that will rebuild your muscle, reset your hormones, reduce your belly fat, and bring your energy back starting this week. Stay with me, because what I am about to share will change the way you think about your body forever. Let us talk about what is actually happening in your body after 50. After menopause, estrogen drops. And when estrogen drops, everything shifts. Your metabolism slows, fat moves to your belly, your joints ache, you feel tired all the time, brain fog sets in, your confidence, the way you feel in your own skin, that changes too. And the supplement industry has made billions of dollars convincing women that the solution comes in a capsule. But here is what the science actually says. A landmark study published in the Journal of Physiology found that women lose between 3 and 5% of their muscle mass every decade after age 40. That number accelerates after menopause. And here is why that matters so much. Muscle is not just about looking toned. Muscle is your metabolic engine. Muscle is your hormone regulator. Muscle is your bone protector. Muscle is what keeps your energy levels stable and your blood sugar controlled. And the largest, most powerful muscle group in your entire body? Your legs. Your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves make up nearly 40% of your total muscle mass. When you activate these muscles properly, consistently, you trigger a cascade of biological events inside your body that no supplement can replicate. Your body releases human growth hormone. It produces myokines, chemicals secreted directly by your muscles that reduce inflammation, sharpen your mind, improve your mood. And yes, research published by the NIH shows they even restore hormonal sensitivity after menopause. Here's the problem most women over 50 face. Nobody told them this. Nobody explained that the missing piece was not another pill. It was purposeful, targeted movement of the body's biggest muscles. And I am going to fix that right now. Before I give you the exercises, I want you to understand the science behind why this works. Because when you understand why your body responds this way, you will actually do the exercises. You will not quit after 3 days, because this will make sense to you on a cellular level. A 2021 study published in the Menopause Journal, one of the most respected peer-reviewed publications in women's health, found that resistance-based leg training increases estrogen receptor sensitivity. Let me explain what that means in plain language. After menopause, your estrogen levels drop, but your body still has estrogen receptors, cells that are designed to respond to estrogen. What this study found is that when women engaged in lower body strength training, their cells became more sensitive to whatever estrogen remained in the body. This means better hormonal signaling, better mood, better libido, better metabolism, better sleep. And then there is this, Mido. A study from JAMA Internal Medicine in 2019 followed women who performed lower body strength training just twice a week. In 16 weeks, just 4 months, they reduced visceral fat by 18%. That is the dangerous fat sitting around your organs, the fat that drives heart disease, diabetes, and inflammation. Gone, not from a pill, but from using their legs. So here is the bottom line medically. Your legs are not just for walking. They are your body's most powerful metabolic, hormonal, and neurological reset button. Now, Mido, let me give you the exercises. I have designed this program specifically for women over 50. Every exercise here is joint-friendly, adaptable for different fitness levels, and backed by the research I just shared with you. You do not need a gym. You do not need equipment. You need your body, a sturdy chair, and 20 to 30 minutes 3 times per week. Let us go through each one. Exercise 1, the glute bridge. Lie flat on your back. Bend your knees. Place your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press your heels into the ground and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower down slowly. Why does this matter for you? Your glutes are often called the sleeping muscles in women over 50 because prolonged sitting and hormonal shifts cause them to become inactive. When your glutes stop firing correctly, your lower back compensates. This leads to the chronic back pain that so many of my patients describe. Activating your glutes through the bridge directly takes pressure off your lumbar spine and strengthens the posterior chain, which improves your posture, reduces pain, and gives your body the lifted, toned appearance in the hip area that many women over 50 want to restore. Research from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research confirms that the glute bridge produces higher glute activation than many gym machine exercises. And you can do this on your living room floor. Do 3 sets of 12, rest 30 seconds between sets. Exercise 2, wall sit. Stand with your back against a wall. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as low as is comfortable for your knees. Hold that position. Breathe. Do not hold your breath. This is an isometric exercise, meaning your muscles are working hard without moving through a range of motion. This is particularly powerful for women over 50 because it is gentle on the joints while creating enormous muscular tension. Here is the science behind this one. Isometric exercises produce something called mechanical tension in the muscle fibers. This mechanical tension is one of the 3 primary triggers for muscle growth and strength. And when your quadriceps, the large muscles on the front of your thighs, are strong, they protect your knee joints. The CDC reports that knee pain is one of the leading causes of inactivity in women over 50. And here is the cruel irony. Inactivity makes knee pain worse. The wall sit builds the muscular support around your knee without putting impact on the joint itself. It breaks the cycle. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Build up to 60 seconds over time. 3 rounds. Exercise 3, step-ups. Find a sturdy step. Your bottom stair works perfectly. Place your right foot fully on the step. Press through that heel and step up, bringing your left knee up to hip height. Step back down with control. Alternate legs. Why step-ups for women over 50 specifically? 2 reasons. First ever, bone density. After menopause, the drop in estrogen accelerates bone loss, increasing the risk of osteoporosis. Weight-bearing exercises, especially those that involve a slight vertical impact like stepping, directly stimulate bone remodeling. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published research showing that women who performed step-based exercises had measurably higher bone density in the hip and spine compared to those who did not. Second, balance. Falls are the leading cause of injury in women over 60 in the United States. The NIH reports that 1 in 4 Americans over 65 falls each year. Step-ups train your body's proprioception, your sense of where your body is in space. They strengthen the single leg stability that prevents falls. You are not just toning your legs with this exercise. You are building the physical independence that keeps you living the life you choose. 3 sets of 10 on each leg. Go slow on the way down. Exercise 4, sumo squat. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Turn your toes out at a 45-degree angle. Sit back and down like you are lowering into a chair, keeping your chest tall and your knees tracking over your toes. Drive back up through your heels. This wide stance variation specifically targets the inner thighs, the adductors, and the glute medius, which is the side glute. But here's what makes this exercise especially important for women over 50 that most people do not mention. The sumo squat also engages your pelvic floor muscles. After menopause, and particularly after childbirth, many women experience pelvic floor weakness. This contributes to bladder leakage, a feeling of heaviness in the pelvis, and reduced core stability. A study published in the International Urogynecology Journal found that squatting exercises that engage the adductors co-activate the pelvic floor, strengthening this critical group of muscles without any specialized equipment. Do 3 sets of 12. If this is new for you, hold on to the back of a chair for balance at first. Exercise 5, seated leg extension, chair-based. Sit in a sturdy chair with your back straight. Slowly straighten one leg out in front of you until it is fully extended. Flex your foot. Hold for 2 seconds at the top. Lower it slowly back down. Switch legs. This exercise is particularly valuable for women who are dealing with knee discomfort or who are returning to exercise after a period of inactivity. It isolates the quadriceps without any loading through the joint itself. This is exactly what physical rehabilitation specialists use after knee surgery, and it is appropriate for everyday use. The slow, controlled lowering phase, the eccentric portion, is where the real muscle building happens. Research from applied physiology confirms that eccentric muscle contractions produce the highest degree of muscle fiber recruitment and rebuilding. Going slow on the way down is not just safe, it is scientifically the most effective part of this movement. 3 sets of 15 on each leg. Move slowly. Feel the muscle working. Exercise 6, calf raises. Stand behind your chair, holding it lightly for balance. Rise up onto the balls of your feet as high as you can. Lower back down slowly. That is 1 rep. Your calves are sometimes called your second heart. Here is why. The calf muscles act as a pump for your venous blood. They squeeze blood back up toward your heart. When calf muscles are weak and inactive, circulation suffers. You get puffy ankles, cold feet, fatigue, varicose veins worsen. For women over 50, improving lower leg circulation has documented benefits for cardiovascular health, lymphatic drainage, which reduces inflammation, and even cognitive function, because better circulation means better oxygen delivery to the brain. These also protect against the development of deep vein thrombosis, which becomes a greater risk as we age. 3 sets of 20. At the top of each rep, squeeze and hold for 1 second. Here is how I recommend you put this together. 3 days per week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday works well for most women. Do all 6 exercises in 1 session. It will take you 25 to 30 minutes. In your first 2 weeks, focus on form over intensity. In weeks 3 and 4, you can add a resistance band around your thighs during the glute bridges and sumo squats to increase the challenge. On the days in between, walk. 20 to 30 minutes of walking is enough. It keeps blood flowing, supports lymphatic drainage, and reinforces everything these exercises are building. Do this for 8 consistent weeks. I want you to write down your energy level, your sleep quality, and your mood on day 1. Then check again on day 56. The difference will speak for itself. I want to say something to you directly because I say this to every woman I work with in my practice. Turning 50 is not a decline. It is not the beginning of the end. Your body is not broken, but your body is sending you a message. It needs to move. It needs to be challenged. It needs to be trusted with the work it was built to do. The women I see transform the most dramatically are not the ones who take the most supplements. They are the ones who show up 3 times a week and use their body as the instrument it was designed to be. Your legs carry you through every single day of your life. It is time to give them the respect and the training they deserve. You did not come this far to settle. You came this far to thrive. Now here is what I need from you right now. If this video gave you one thing you did not know before, hit that like button. It takes 1 second and it tells me to keep making content exactly like this for you. Subscribe to this channel if you are not already subscribed, because every single week I bring you science-based health guidance specifically designed for women over 50. No gimmicks, no sales pitches, just real information from real research. And here is my question for you in the comments, and I read every comment personally. Tell me which of these 6 exercises you are going to start with today. Just type the name below. When you type it, you make a commitment to yourself, and I will be right there to cheer you on. If you are experiencing specific knee pain, hip issues, or you are recovering from surgery and you want to know how to modify any of these exercises for your situation, comment below and I will answer you directly. And before you click away, watch the video I have linked right here. It is about the single dietary change that doubles the results of leg training in women over 50. It is one of the most watched videos on this channel, and after what you just learned today, you are going to want to see it. I'm Dr. Romalia. Take care of your body because it is the only home you will ever truly live in.